Okay, good morning, Lani. This is Hudson from Audio Project, division of New East Paving and Building Contractors. Just yesterday, I had a wonderful opportunity to come to the property to have a look and to assess and evaluate the existing conditions, so I could be able to advise on cost and also propose. So basically, what I have been thinking about is to start by doing a drawing, sort of like a design, so you can get a full insight. Uh, should you go with the option of the Gabion wall, because that's your first preference. And what I'm gonna present with this aid of SketchUp is to make you realize the scale or the magnitude of this project, um, and also the budget that you need to come up with should you stick to the option of a Gabion wall. Okay, the most important thing is the stability. So now, if you say that's what, let's keep to my, to the original option, that is the Gabion. So now, this is what we're gonna need. We need, to ensure structural stability of Gabion wall. We need to have the base has to be 2/3 the height of the bank. So we are retaining 5 meters, and so now for the base to be very stable, we need to lay one, two, three courses of the gabion, and then the second course we need to make it double, and then the last three we can just make them single. So now, just to get a full insight of how many gabions are we gonna need. So I have a spreadsheet with me here, and what I'll do, I'm just gonna put a formula here. So we've got the base, and we're gonna the second course and the last course, and then the total is gonna be on this. And then I might, if I get a chance, I might also then um, put the rock infill quantity. Okay, so now the base, we are gonna make it triple. So we have 100 meters, and we are gonna be using the Gabion 2 by 1 by 1. Okay, so now this is my formula. So then if you are gonna be using those ones, so each course is gonna take 50. So we then say this multiplied by 3 courses, we're making it triple, or triple skin, or so that's what we get. And so let me put a total here. It should add up to the total. Right. And then the second course now, we are gonna be it's in each single line, each course takes 50, so we are gonna making it double. So I will then say same formula to apply. So we're gonna need 100, right? And then the last three is gonna be another. So all in all, we're gonna need 400 gabions. That's the total. Those 2 by 1 by 1. And then so rock fuel. So each gabion takes about 300. I mean, it takes about 3 tons or 3 cubes. Right. So if we are gonna have 400 gabions, and then so this is what we're gonna need. We're gonna need this is the volume of the rocks. So we're gonna need 1,200 cubes of rocks. And Lani, before I put the figures, this is I would like to let you know in advance that this is prohibitively expensive. That's a lot in terms of and also looking at the project magnitude or the scale and the amount of work. It will take long. So yeah, that's what I sort of decided to present it to you. Okay, so basically another also element of the my diagram is also, this is actually the excavated material that have been actually brought to site, and we are gonna need some drainage, and then we are gonna put we're gonna need to put beating cloth to control erosion. and also to control, to make sure that the backfill material don't get washed off during infiltration, or during the down draw, or during the drainage when water is actually sort of flowing down. So and this is sort of the beating cloth that you're gonna need to put behind the gabions. Okay, so and then now the best, we just open up a wide trench, 3 meters, and then this is gonna be the compacted gravel, and then we need to actually make it 5 degree so it can tilt. What do we call? We lay it on a 5 degree butter. Okay, we need to excavate at a certain gradient the trench. Okay, and then we put gravel, we compact it, but before we can put the gravel, we compact it to maximum density, and then so it's a lot of work, Lan, as I said, that imagine assembling 400 units of those 2 by 1 by 1, assembling them, which takes time, because you've got all the dimensions. We got the front, you've got we got the front, you got the sides, and the diaphragms, and the lead. So that's actually a lot of work. So um I wouldn't, as I said on site yesterday, that I know, Lani, I wouldn't recommend it. It's actually a big project for residential. So I've actually sort of close to actually finish up the other option of actually making the low full wall. Okay, so okay, thank you so much for listening, Lani.